Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up MLA format paper in Google Docs. Alright, let's begin. First, set your font to Times New Roman, size 12, for a clean, professional look. Next, create your header by double-clicking at the top of the page. Align it right, and type your last name, then insert page numbers at the top right, starting from page 1. Adjust your margins by going to File, Page Setup, and set all sides to 1 inch or 2.4 centimeters. Set line spacing to double and remove extra space after paragraphs for uniform spacing. For the MLA heading, align left and type your name, professor's name, course, and date on separate lines. Add your paper title centered without bolding or underlining. Finally, indent the first line of each paragraph using the first line indent marker. So that's basically how you can set up MLA format paper in Google Docs. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.